Can someone please tell me why the first time I opened a chart, I honestly thought I was watching a rocket launch? Like, what is this mess? Candles? Wicks? Bro, I was completely lost. Alright, let's chill for a sec. A chart just shows price over time. That's it. X-axis is time, Y-axis is price. You're not reading through some kind of ancient scroll here. It's quite literally just a graph. There's a few chart types that you'll see, but mostly it'll either be line charts or candlesticks. Line charts are like a baby's first chart basically. Just a bunch of dots joined up. Candles, that's where you'll see what's actually going on. Line charts just connect the closing price at each time point. So it's like, here's where price ended, next. No context, no juice. Overall, in my opinion, a bit bland. Now candlesticks, that's a whole different game. Each one tells you where the price opened, how high it went, how low it dropped, and where it closed. It's like a snapshot of the market. Everything you need to know, packed into one neat, tidy candle. A green candle means the price went up. Red means it dropped. The thick bit, that's not the booty, that's the body. Open to close. The little lines above and below, that's the wick. That's where price flexed, but didn't stay. If the wick's huge, that's pure rejection. Instant regret. So what should you actually look at? First of all, check what time frame you're on. Is it the 5 minute, the daily, the monthly? Next, is the price trending up, down, or is it kind of just chilling? Do you see volume in the bars? If you do, that tells you that people are actually trading. If you don't, it means that people are just sitting around watching and waiting for the price to move in a certain direction. So yeah, overall, charts ain't that deep. They just show you what price did over time. Once you understand candles, the rest gets way easier. So drop a like if that helped. And if you're no longer scared of candles, comment down below. Candles don't scare me anymore. So yeah, next up, we're diving into trends and why you probably keep buying at the top. Catch you in the next one.